Well, hello there guys, welcome back to another travel video. Today we are at the stunning Asia Gardens here in Alicante, and here's a little room tour. Stunning little room, not sure if it's a junior suite or mini suite. But very nice. Nice big TV on the wall. I wait till you see the bathroom. How's that? Big enough for two. Cupboards for days. Let's have a little look inside the bathroom. Hi. Jack and Jill sinks. This looks really nice. This will be getting used at some point. Look at that for the view. Just out there. Stunning. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Just here, we'll get some more footage before the day is out. Just thought I'd grab this nice little piece of footage just now before we trash the room. So yeah, let's see what this little place has got in store for us. So yeah, let's catch up later.